fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with a little haul from the folks over at Fansells. Sometimes I decide to do like theme stuff, so today's theme is butterflies. So we're going to look at all these butterfly kits. All right, these are going to be in no particular order. This one rolls up pretty tight, so I'm happy with that. So we get our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. It is a special drill kit, as all of these are, and this first one is these lovely blue and gold butterflies, and I really like these special drills. I especially like when they're small sizes like this because they're easy, quick finishes, especially when they have the larger special shape drills. So we've got 8 different drills, and it looks like all but 3 of them are special shape. The other 3 are just the regular crystal drills. Now it says this is 30 by 30, so let's measure. It is 25 by 25. Not a surprise, that's what most of these are. It is nice and sticky where you need it to be. All right, let's look at the drills. So like I said, we only have 8 drills, and 3 of them are just the crystals. So we've got like a very pale kind of champagne color, a light blue, and then a darker kind of smoky color. And then we get into all the special shape drills. We've got clear marquee shaped. We've got some very pale blue teardrops. We've got some small gold rounds. We've got some blue rounds, and then we have some large yellow marquee shaped. So another quick and easy finish. That's why I like these. Also, I got some of these because I thought maybe these would be good for me to do in the car when we were traveling. There's not very many drills. They're kind of big. The drills are big, the canvas is small, and it's a little easier to work, especially when you're in a confined space like a vehicle. All right, let me grab the next one. Oh, this one was $4.51, and I will stick links to all of these down below so that you can find them for yourself. All right, again, this rolled up nice and tight. We've got our typical toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We've got our special drills we'll look at in a minute. And here's this butterfly, just a super simple purple and green butterfly. Again, we've got 8 drills. It looks like maybe 3 are special shaped and all of the rest are just the crystal rhinestones. Nice and sticky where you need it to be. Again, this one is listed as 30 by 30, so let's measure. This one is 24 by 24, so a little bit smaller than the last one. All right, let's look at the drills. So we've got 2 different shades of purple, a darker purple and then a lighter purple. And then we've got green and a very pale pink. And then we've got, a pretty blue AB. And then we've got our special shapes. We've got a very tiny, clear iridescent marquee, a small kind of green iridescent marquee, and then we've got tiny round pearls. So where does the AB go? That was number 5. Oh, so here in all of the like little stripes of the butterfly wings will be those pretty blue iridescent. And again, with only 8 drills, it's going to go pretty quick. Okay, this one is a little thicker than the first 2. It didn't roll up quite so nice, but same toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. Oh, I think I forgot to say the purple butterfly was $2.39. Special drills for this one. And I just thought this one was super cute. It's like these cute little butterflies, but it's like on a scroll that says, I love you. I don't normally like having words on my diamond paintings because I think it's very hard to make them legible. But when it's something like this, when it's just a partial, so it's pretty much printed on there and you're just kind of filling it in, I'm okay with that. So this one has 9 drills, and it looks like 3 of them are special shaped, and then all the rest are just crystal rhinestones. So a lot of this, like all of this up here, not really going to be diamond painted. Some right here on the edge, but nice and sticky where you need it to be. This is again a 30 by 30, so let's measure and see. It is 25, I'm going to guess by 25, but let me measure. Yeah, 25 by 25. All right, let's look at the drills for this one. All right, so for this one, we've got just some plain black drills, and then we get into our crystals. We've got like a dark yellow, a pink, a slightly lighter pink, a red, a blue, and then we've got two special shaped drills. We've got a pink marquee and a red kind of skinny marquee. So the little kind of sliver marquees are going to go here in this little flower here, and then the pink marquees are going to go on the butterfly. And I missed one because this one was in a bag. So we have a blue marquee shape that's going to go right there for the body of that butterfly. So we only need one, so we have that one in a baggie. And this one was $3.87. All right, two more. This one was a little more difficult to roll up as well. Same toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen. We've got our special drills here. We have this diamond painting, which is all these kind of bejeweled butterflies, and a coffee cup that is also kind of made to look bejeweled. Diamonds and gems down here at the bottom. So we've got 8 drills again. So 8, 8, 9, and 8. I'm sensing a theme here. I wonder if the next one will also have 8. We'll see. So it looks like there are 3 special shaped and the rest are all just regular rhinestones. So again, nice and sticky where you need it to be. This is also a 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is 25 by 25. Let me get the drills out. All right, so again, we're starting with the rhinestones. We've got kind of this smoky antique gold color. We've got like a mulberry pink, a light blue, a green, clear, and then we've got all of our special shape drills. We've got some teardrop shaped pearls. We've got some very tiny purple marquee shaped, and then we've got some round small pearls. So all of our little pearls are going to go on the petals of these flowers here. The little pearls go in the center of this one. And then we've got all that kind of antique gold that's going to kind of edge everything just to make it look really super fancy. This one was $4.51. No, this one was $3.87. And I've got one more. All right, that one rolled up nice and tight. So 2 of them are kind of the more stiffer canvases. These are the ones that are a little bit more flexible, the other 3. Same thing again, boat plate of wax pink pen for our toolkit. We've got our special drills here. And I just like this one because I like the kind of dreamy, rainbowy, cotton candy-ish color palette of this one. Oh, look, there's 8 drills. We've got 8 different drills. So this one is a 30 by 30 as well. Nice and sticky where you need it to be. But this one I just thought was really, had like a dreamlike quality that I thought was really pretty. So 30 by 30, it is 25 by 25. And it looks like maybe 2 of these, maybe 3 is number 5 special shaped. Where's number 5? No, 5 looks like, so 1 through 5 looks like they're going to be rhinestones, and then 6, 7, and 8 are going to be our special drills. So let me get the drills out and we'll see. So 1 through 5, we've got a yellow, we've got a light blue, we've got a light purple, we've got clear, and we've got a green. And then for our special shape drills, we've got tiny gold browns, we've got small teardrop shaped pink ones, and we've got teardrop shaped kind of blue iridescent ones. And this particular one was also $3.87. Let me gather everything up. We'll do a quick recap. Don't go anywhere. Okay, we'll see if you guys can see all of these. So we've got the one with the kind of blue and gold. We've got the plain purple with some of the iridescent ABs on it. We've got the one that's kind of the really fancy schmancy one. We've got the one that says I love you. And then we have kind of our little dreamscape butterfly here with all the little pretty, like, what are those, peony flowers or something? As I said, I will stick the links to all of these down below so that you can find them yourself. And like I said, I got these because I thought maybe these would be good for me to do in the car when we're traveling, a quick something that I can be working on that I don't have to get out like a whole thing and trying to work on that in a vehicle. Even if I was doing this like in a motel room of an evening, that might be better. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.